QuickBooks POS is being phased out. Here's what you should know. If you operate a store and utilize QuickBooks Point of Sale, you may have heard that QuickBooks is retiring its POS system. While this may come as a surprise, it does not mean that your company must suffer. In fact, this might be the ideal time to make the conversion to Shopify POS. Shopify is a major e-commerce platform that helps entrepreneurs launch and scale their companies. Shopify, as opposed to QuickBooks POS, was created primarily for businesses who sell items both online and in-store. This implies that Shopify provides capabilities and benefits that QuickBooks Point of Sale cannot match. Click the link below to speak with an expert about if switching is the best option for you. Here are just a handful of the reasons why you should switch to Shopify POS. 1. Shopify provides a single platform for both online and in-store sales. 2. Shopify Point of Sale is accessible via iOS and Android smartphones. 3. Shopify allows you to track inventory levels in real time across all channels, online, brick and mortar, etc. 4. Shopify makes it simple to take payments from clients' mobile phones. 5. You can get started with Shopify for as little as $9 per month, as opposed to $1,700 for QuickBooks POS. 6. Shopify provides 24/7 help, so you'll never be left in the dark if something goes wrong. 7. Shopify is used by over 500,000 businesses globally, so you'll be in excellent company. 8. Finally, with Shopify's ever-expanding network of applications and integrations, you'll have everything you need to manage your business smoothly, regardless of where you sell or what product you sell. Don't put off switching to Shopify any longer. You'll be happy you did. QuickBooks Point of Sale is being phased out, so don't worry. There are plenty more excellent POS systems available that may help your business grow, including Shopify's own point of sale system. Make the transition today and get the benefits of a unified platform created exclusively for businesses who sell items both online and in-store. To speak with an expert and get your questions addressed, click the link below.